Hi everyone, we're going to solve this equation by completing the square. And that what it means is we want our terms to be x squared plus bx plus c. So we're looking for a c. And that's going to, our c is going to equal this. So let's get started. We're going to have x squared plus 4x. And we're going to complete the square here. Equals 2, and whatever you add on one side of the equation, you add on the other side. So how you get your c is you take your b, in our case our b is 4, so you take your b, it's positive 4, so 4 divided by 2, and then you square it. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, you get 2 squared, and that equals 4. So now that you have that, you complete the square. So by completing the square, that made a perfect square trinomial, which means you take x plus half of 4 is 2 squared. And it follows our formula that a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So completing the square means setting it up like that. Sometimes we'll have the minus involved. All right, so now we have this equals 6. And now we square root both sides. So square root both sides. So you have plus and minus here. Don't forget your plus and minus. So when you square root both sides, you're going to have x plus 2 equals plus or minus square root of 6. And to completely solve for x, you're going to subtract 2 from both sides. So you have x equals plus or minus square root of 6 minus 2. And so you have two solutions. And if you want to split them up, you could split them up like negative square root of 6 minus 2 and comma, and then you'd write positive square root of 6 minus 2. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.